How to manage your money like the 1%. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer every year while others struggle financially despite working hard? It's not magic, luck, or secret family connections. The difference lies in how they manage their money. The 1% don't just earn more. They think differently about earning, spending, saving, and investing. Every financial decision they make is intentional. Every dollar has a purpose. In this video, we'll uncover 10 principles that show how the wealthy manage their money and how you can start doing the same today to build long-term financial freedom. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure to like and subscribe, because what's coming next will blow your mind. Think in decades, not days. The first secret of the wealthy is perspective. Most people make financial decisions based on short-term impulses, what they want today, what feels good this month, or what their peers are doing. This often leads to overspending, bad debt, and financial stress. The 1% think in decades. They plan for 5, 10, or even 20 years ahead. Every decision, from how much to save, which investment to make, or even which job to take, is evaluated through a long-term lens. For example, they might delay buying a fancy car this year because that money can be invested in assets that grow exponentially over time. That patience allows wealth to compound silently in the background, creating massive results over the years. Long-term thinking also changes their mindset about risk. A short-term loss may feel painful, but the wealthy understand that over a decade, calculated investments grow regardless of temporary setbacks. When you start thinking in decades instead of days, you stop chasing temporary satisfaction and start building lasting financial power. It's not about being frugal, it's about being strategic and understanding that time amplifies money like nothing else. Money is a tool, not a reward. Most people treat money as the end goal, to buy, to spend, to impress. The wealthy see it differently. Money is a tool, a resource that can be deployed to create more opportunities, freedom, and security. Every dollar has potential to generate more income through investments, to buy time by outsourcing tasks, to create freedom by funding business opportunities, to secure the future through smart savings. The 1% rarely spend emotionally or impulsively. They spend strategically, ensuring every dollar works toward wealth accumulation or personal growth. Luxury purchases like cars or vacations usually come only after assets are producing enough income to cover them comfortably. This approach eliminates financial stress. When money is a tool, not a reward, you focus on growth over gratification, long-term stability over short-term pleasure. Track every dollar and know your numbers. The wealthy understand this. You can't control what you don't measure. They meticulously track income, expenses, savings, investments, and even small recurring subscriptions. This level of awareness gives clarity, and clarity creates control. Most people avoid tracking money because it's uncomfortable. They hope problems will disappear on their own. The 1%, on the other hand, confront reality. They know exactly where every dollar goes and identify areas where they can optimize. Tracking is more than budgeting. It's a strategic tool. It allows them to cut wasteful spending, redirect money toward high-value investments, spot opportunities early, avoid financial surprises. Over time, this awareness compounds. The more you understand your money, the better decisions you make, and the closer you get to financial independence. Tracking creates insight, and insight drives intelligent, intentional actions. Automate your money. Even with the best intentions, willpower fails. Impulses, distractions, and procrastination often sabotage financial plans. The wealthy overcome this by automation. Savings are automatically transferred to accounts or investments. Bills are automatically paid to avoid late fees. Debt repayments are scheduled automatically. Automation removes emotion from money management. You don't rely on motivation or discipline every month. The system works quietly in the background. Most financial stress comes from last-minute decisions, emotional purchases, and forgotten payments. Automation ensures consistency. Over time, small amounts invested automatically grow into substantial wealth. By removing chaos, automation allows the 1% to focus on opportunity, growth, and strategic thinking, instead of worrying about the basics. Live below your means. This principle is simple but often ignored. Most people increase spending as income grows. Bigger houses, new cars, fancier vacations. The wealthy do the opposite. They increase the gap between income and spending. This gap creates power. More savings for emergencies, more money to invest in assets, seize opportunities, less dependence on debt. Living below your means doesn't mean deprivation. It's financial control. It allows money to work for you instead of disappearing the moment you earn it. By resisting lifestyle inflation, you can allocate money strategically toward investments that compound over time. This small but consistent discipline is what separates those who accumulate wealth from those who just chase appearances. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets generate cash flow or appreciate in value. Liabilities drain it. The wealthy focus on acquiring assets, stocks and bonds that yield returns, rental properties producing passive income, businesses generating consistent cash flow, skills that increase earning potential. They avoid flashy purchases unless these fit into a larger strategy. Every spending decision answers a single question: will this make me richer or poorer? This asset-first approach is the backbone of financial growth. It ensures that your money is working for you, rather than being wasted on temporary pleasures. Skills come before investments. Before investing heavily, the 1% invest first in themselves. Skills are multipliers. They enhance income, decision-making, and opportunities. Income grows as your skills improve. Every new ability opens doors to higher earnings or promotions. Investment choices become smarter. Understanding finances, markets, and business increases ROI and reduces mistakes. Opportunities increase. Networking, knowledge, and skill mastery attract collaborations, partnerships, and new ventures. Confidence and independence rise. Skilled individuals can take calculated risks without fear of failure. From negotiation to coding to financial literacy is a lifetime asset. It magnifies the return on every future investment. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about ability, strategy, and opportunity combined. The more capable you become, the more control you have over your financial destiny. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single job is risky. The wealthy diversify income sources, salaries or professional work, freelancing or consulting, investments and dividends, businesses or digital ventures, royalties and intellectual property. Not all streams are large at first. Some start small, but over time they compound into financial security. Multiple streams reduce dependence on one employer or income source. This approach allows for risk-taking, experimentation, and growth. You can pursue opportunities without fear because your financial foundation is broad and stable. Remove emotion from money decisions. Many people make financial mistakes because of emotion: fear, jealousy, impatience, or social pressure. The wealthy remain neutral. They avoid chasing status symbols. Don't compare themselves to peers. Make strategic decisions based on logic and data. Emotion drives impulsive purchases and panic selling. Strategy drives wealth accumulation. By removing emotion, the wealthy ensure consistency, rational decision-making, and compounding over time. Financial decisions become predictable and profitable. Protect your time and environment. Time is your ultimate currency. The wealthy guard it fiercely. They eliminate distractions, focus on high-value activities, prioritize tasks with long-term impact. They also curate their environment, surround themselves with growth-oriented individuals, work in spaces that inspire focus and productivity. Avoid negative influences that drain energy. Your circle, habits, and surroundings influence your financial behavior. Protecting your environment ensures your efforts are supported, consistent, and effective. It amplifies every dollar you earn and every strategy you implement. Managing money like the 1% isn't about earning more. It's about thinking differently, acting intentionally, and creating systems that work for you. When you think long-term, treat money as a tool, track every dollar, automate your finances, focus on assets and skills, build multiple income streams, remove emotion from decisions, guard your time and environment. You're no longer reacting to money. You're controlling it. Wealth is not magic. It's methodical, consistent, and strategic. Start applying these principles today. The effects will compound, and over time, your financial future will look very different from the majority who rely on luck, impulse, and emotion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your feedback helps me create more detailed financial guides and strategies to help you grow your wealth.